In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an arrow in Google Docs. Whether you're looking to enhance a document with visual pointers or simply add stylistic elements, arrows can be a useful tool. So, let's walk through the process step by step, making sure you can follow along easily from the comfort of your computer. First things first, fire up your internet browser. This can be any browser you regularly use, like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or others. Once your browser is open, go ahead and use the search engine to look up Google Docs. You'll typically find it as one of the top results, as it's a commonly accessed service by Google. Click on the Google Docs link to direct yourself to the main landing page of the application. Now that you're on the Google Docs main page, you'll need to log in. If you're not automatically signed in, just enter your Google account credentials. This ensures that you have access to all your documents and functionalities tied to your personal or professional account. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one, which is a simple process that the website will guide you through. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your recent documents, or you can start a new one from a blank template. Choose the document where you want to add an arrow. Simply click on it, and it will open up for editing. Make sure this document is the one you want to work on because you're ready to insert an arrow. Located at the top of your document, you'll see a menu bar. Click on the Insert menu. This menu is the gateway to adding various elements into your document beyond just text, such as images, tables, and, of course, special characters like arrows. From that drop-down menu, select Special Characters. A dialog box will appear, showcasing a plethora of symbols and characters. In this new window, you'll notice a search box. This is where you can make your hunt for the perfect arrow efficient. Simply type arrow into the search box, or, for a more visual approach, navigate through the subcategory entitled Arrows. Both methods will bring up all types of arrows available for use. Browse through these options to find the arrow that suits your needs. Once you've decided on a particular arrow, just click on it, and it will be inserted directly into your document at the location of your cursor. And that's it! You've successfully added an arrow into your Google Docs document. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. With these steps, you can quickly and easily add visual elements to your documents, making them more dynamic and engaging. Have fun experimenting with different arrows and enhancing your documents creatively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.